Okay, I'm about to pull off my lower control arms. I've already put off my wheel, and I'm got to come over here and right over here, got to pull this off right here in the back. I think this side's 18. This side might be either a 21 or a 22, but I'm thinking it is a 21. Okay. Before I might have made a video where I put it was 22 millimeter, and it might be just a 21 on this one. Okay, here's a 21 socket right here. So let me try to see if it'll fit on there. If I can get it on there. Okay. That's okay, it fits. It's a 21, not a 22. Okay. So I'm just going to leave that on right there. And there's one down here that you need to pull off. And then if I lift this up right here, okay, right there, there's an 18 millimeter, and there's another bolt at the bottom, down here at the bottom. Okay, you got to loosen all those. And then you're supposed to get a crowbar or something like that, and push down on it, and it'll come straight out. So let me get some of these loose, and then I'll come back. Okay, this was a this bolt was a 22, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen that one. Okay, this is where the control arm goes into the lower ball joint right here. Next, I'll be taking this bolt off right here. I think this is an 18, this might be a 21. Then next after that, I'll come over here. Okay. And there's an 18. See, right there, you can barely see that. And at the bottom, right here, the last bolt, or the last nut, will be this one right here. And I believe that this one is either a 21 or 22. Let me see. I think it's a 21. Try it again. Yeah, it's a 21. And you pull those out, and the whole thing will slide down and slide out. Okay, I got my 18 socket on that side, and this one takes a 22 on this side, and it's coming loose. Okay, that's loose. So I'll go ahead and pull that off right there. Okay, I'll go ahead and put the bolt down there. Okay, so I'll go over here to the next one and take it off right up here. Okay, I got my wrenches set up over on this side over here, where I can take this side off right here. It's a 22 on this side and the 18 socket or a wrench on this side. What I'm having to do is push down on with my foot right here in order to loosen it. I'm going to try that. Okay, I got this one loose on this side right here. So go ahead and pull this one off. Alright. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's coming right out right here. Okay, I probably have to put the camera down. That wrench on this left side came off, so I'll go ahead and put this down so I can go ahead and finish pulling that off. Okay, this side is coming on off right here. Okay, it's not as hard as I thought. But I guess I need to go ahead and put this down, this camera down, so I can go ahead and finish pulling it off. Okay, I went ahead and pulled the nut off right here. This is a 22 millimeter. I thought it was a 21, but it's a 22. So I'll go ahead and pull this bolt out right here. If I can get to it. Okay, it's coming on out. All right, came on out right here. So all I need to do is loosen it from right here. Just break it loose and it should come on out right there. So I'll go ahead and put these together. That way I can have them when I get ready to put everything back together right here. Okay, I just broke the screw down here at the bottom where the lower ball joint goes into the control arm. I had to use this tool right here to break it. So what I need to do is just go ahead and loosen this on up, and it should slide right on out. Okay, I broke it right here. And here's the nut right here. Okay. Okay, I can put that nut right down at the bottom. Okay, this is loose right here. This will come on out. Okay, this is loose right here. I've already pulled the bolt out on that side. Now over here, where it goes in here, the nut, well actually the bolt is still in there. As soon as I pull that bolt out, see if you can see that. That one right there. As soon as I lift that one out, okay, this whole thing will just come straight out. Okay, this bolt came out right here. This was real difficult. This was down through there, that hole right there. And this is the last bolt to come out, so this should come right out. See if I can work with it. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the camera down to get it, but it should slide right out. Okay, I done pulled off my lower ball joint on the left side right here, and I'm finding out that it was cracked right there. So this car is 2001. It's 2023 now, so it's cracked right up through there. And the weight on this is probably what's causing it to act the way it's acting. But I got a new one I'm going to put on there. This side right here looks pretty good. Right here. And this is the other side. This looks good over here. Okay, I got everything pulled off, and I got the new lower ball joint in. Okay, I was able to put this new one in on that side right there. I don't know if you can see down in there, but I also got it over here. Pretty easy. This is 18 and this is a 22 millimeter. Same thing on this side over here. 18 and 22 millimeter sockets, or actually I used a wrench right here to get it in. So wasn't as hard as I thought it was, but I did have to loosen this nut right here. Okay, I got my lower control arm on, and I checked everything. Everything is tight. I changed out also my stabilizer link because the other one had a little bit of play at the top. So go ahead and put the wheel back on, and then I'll get the other side and I'm going to take it for a test drive. Okay, before I put my tire on, I just checked it right here. It looks like there's no uneven wear on it. It might be just a little bit on this side right here, but not much, and that's from the lower control arm being damaged. A little toe in on the side where the wheel was going in, but other than that, the tire looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and I'm going to fix the other side just like I did this side, and then take it for a test ride.